Welcome back with Dice with Dan. We're going to try out a strategy called 6, 7, 8 probably can't lose strategy. Sounds a little chaotic, but it's not too bad. And for you slow people out there, this might be the strategy for you because you don't have to keep track of much. All right, so once again, I usually don't just roll the strategy out. I just like to do it, and you do it slow at first, and you can see how it goes. All right, so what's the most rolled combinations, right? 6, 7, 8? Yes, that's it. So 7 has the most combinations, and then you got your 6 and the 8. So that's what we're gonna try and capitalize on here today. All right, so what do we do first on the come out roll? We're gonna drop $40. We're gonna put that in the don't pass. Then we're gonna throw 50 on the lay. You don't have a lay button, but you all know this is going to be a lay for the 4. So come out roll 2, 3 wins on this. 7-Eleven loses. And this right here, it pays. If you roll a 7, it pays pretty much an additional 25 minus the vig. But we're just going to do 25 for today. And if it rolls a 7, or sorry, it rolls a 4, this is done. If it rolls a 7, it gets paid half. And that's only going to be. This is only going to be up during the come out roll. All right. So what do we got here? 40. On the don't pass and 50 on the lay on the 4. Here's the come out. By the way, we're starting with 600. I like that number. All right, so 6. We're going to mark the 6 as the point. When that happens, we're going to take down our lay. Then we're going to drop. And let me go ahead and start by saying this is mainly used on a bubble craps machine or maybe a roll to win if you're accustomed to those. So I know these usually need to be $6 increments, but for today, in this strategy, we're placing them 15. On the Bubble Crafts machine, 15 will pay $17.50, but for today purposes, we're gonna pay 17. Okay, so remember that. All right, so we're gonna capitalize on these numbers. So basically, you're gonna try to hit these. You don't press them, you keep them up, and if you roll a 7, you pretty much lose 30, but you still win the 40, so it's $10 profit. All right, here we go, let's roll it out. 10. So right here, there's gonna be a lot of rolls where you're not doing much, I've noticed. But here we go, we got an 8. What does that pay? $17.50, but we're doing 17 today. That. Drop that. Oh, it smells good in here. Melissa's in there making cookies. Oh wait, Cooper's here. Cooper, you're gonna do the rolling, I thought. That's right. All right, so we're still keeping it the same. Go ahead. 10, keep rolling. Looking for 6, 7, 6, 7s, and 8s. 9, just keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. There's 12 boxcars. 6, what does that pay? 17. Drop that here at 6. Yeah, it's good. Cooper, keep it rolling. 3, keep rolling. 6, 7, and 8. That's all we're really looking for. 10, easy 10. 7 out. All right, so we're gonna take down, we lost to 30, but don't forget, we won the 45. Sorry, 40. So that goes to there. All right, so keep that shooter back up, and we're going back in the lay on the 4. And I'm thinking how we're gonna do this. I might kind of switch it up. Maybe I'll do 4s, maybe I'll do 10s, so it's whatever you kind of feel like at the moment. Maybe the table keeps rolling 10, so you're just like, I'm gonna stay away from that. So we might want to do the 4. So it's up to you. Come out roll, we're good. Another thing that I was thinking on this, you could drop like $2, $3 and do a, let's see what it is. You could do an 11. Where's that at right here? Yeah, you could do that. 15 to 1, so would it pay you $45 right there? You could hedge a $3 bet on the 11 because that loses on the 11. That's also a possibility. When I start rolling it out in the casino, I'll see if that's beneficial or not. All right, Cooper, we're off. 12, that's push here. 10, point goes to the 10. We're gonna bring down our lay. We're going 15 on the 6 and the 8s. And we're going. 7 out. Look at that. Lose 30. But what did we win? 40. So Cooper, what's the profit on that?
10.
$10. There you go. Put you on the spot there, didn't you? All right. New come out roll. This is gonna be the third shooter. We're gonna keep 40 over here still on the don't pass. We're gonna go 50 on the lay. Go ahead. 5. Mark the 5. Bringing down that lay. 15 and 15, the 6 and 8. Let's get it. 5. Okay, so this is good. I want to show you what we do next. So that hits the point, right? All right, so this loses. So remember, we had $40 on there, right? So now we're gonna come back with 50. We're just gonna bump it up 10. And we're gonna bring back our lay on the 4. This is come out roll, so these are off. And we're out. 6, mark 6. Point comes, or lay comes down. So this is another difference right here. We still keep this up on the 6, even though our don't is working against the 6, okay? All right, Cooper, go ahead. Box cars. Hard 10. Keep rolling. 3 craps. 6. Okay, we got the 6. Knocks it off. All right, so this loses, but this pays what, 17? Okay, 17. So we've gotten hit twice by that, right? So this one, now he's gonna bump it up to 60. So go 10 more. Gonna bring our lay back on the 4. All right, Cooper. 10. Mark the 10. All right, so bring this down. These are gonna stay here. All right, Cooper, go ahead. 9. Keep rolling. 8. That's a good number. Page 17. Go ahead. 6. Man, I like this. It's another 17. Go ahead, Coop. 3 craps. 6, another 17. I'm gonna drop 20. Take away 3. All right, keep it rolling. 7 out. All right, lost the 30, but remember we were at the $60 level that time. So that pays that. So once he hits that, we're gonna take that back down to our original 40. And we're gonna bring the lay up. You know what? I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna bring the lay to the 10. All right, Coop. 7. So on this one, so we lose a little bit on this one. So we lose the 45, or the 40, excuse me. And then we're gonna win 25 over here. So that stays there. So remember, we lose over here, so now we're gonna go up $10. So we're $10 up there. We're still gonna keep our 50 over here. All right, coming out. 8, mark the 8, bring the lay down. Here we are, this is another scenario, we're kind of working against each other here. Go ahead, Coop. 9, keep rolling. 8, all right, we got knocked off. So that's the $50 level, remember guys? So what we got, 15, 16, 17. $17 there, that was great. So we're at the $50 level, right, Coop? So we're gonna go to 60. Point comes off, and then let's get our lay. Let's bring it back to the 10. Remember, place bets are off when they come out. 6. Man, another one of these, we're working against each other. Okay, so lay comes down. These are set. Remember, this is the $60 level. Go ahead, Coop. 7, nice. lose that, but we win the 60. How many shooters is that? Is that 3?
Yeah.
That's 3? You know what, for fun, let's go one more. That's back at the $40 level. We're gonna go the way. Let's move it back to the 4. All right, Coop, hit it. 7, nice. Oh, that's not nice. This loses, we're at the $40 level. Man, that's not doing too great. This one take the 25, win 25 on that one. So we're going to the $50 level. And we're good. 4, wow, okay. So this loss, nope, I'll put that in my rack. That's the $50, we'll put that in the bank. So points 4 on this one. So we're gonna drop our 60, or sorry, 15 each on that, and we're gonna roll it out. 9, keep rolling. 7, all right. That loses that, and we're at the $50 level, right? All right, there's 50 right there. All right, let's count the money up. It started with 6, right? So let's see what we got here. Let's do that. There's 500. Wow, we are at $599. We actually got whacked for $1.
Wow.
That wasn't too bad. I like the strategy. Thanks for checking this strategy out, and I hope you like it. Look back if you want to try it out at the casino, and you can do it for yourself. It's the 6, 7, 8. Probably going to win strategy. Deuces.